Paperslides by Aidan Murphy. Question number 1. If a toy rocket is launched vertically upwards from ground level with an initial velocity of 158 feet per second, then its height h after t seconds is given by the equation h equals negative 16t squared plus 158t. The questions: A. How long will it take for the rocket to return to the ground? B. After how many seconds will the rocket reach 300 feet? C. How long will it take for the rocket to reach its maximum height? D. What is the maximum height? Step 1. In order to put the equation into your calculator, you'll need to change the h to a y and the t to a x, so your variables must change. Step 2. First, you'll put the equation of the y equals screen on your calculator. Step 3. Next, you need to hit the graph button. If you cannot see most of the shade, go to the window and change the x and y minimums and maximums until you can see what is needed. That's right there, you cannot see most of what you need. And there, you can see the entire shape. Step 4, question A. Go to second graph and it will show you the table. To find where it hits the ground, scroll up or down until your y1 values equal 0. If it does not equal 0 and it starts to go negative, go to second window and change the scale until you can find 0. And there it starts to go negative. And it starts to go down further towards 0. And further after that will go negative. And when you hit a negative number, you know you've gone too far. It may take some time, but you just have to scroll. And there is what you're looking for question A, 9.875 seconds. Step 5, question B. Go to your y equal screen, and in your y2, put 300 for a horizontal line that will intersect the current graph. Then go to graph. Your initial shape, your horizontal line to show 300 feet. Step 6. Press trace wall in your graph. Scroll over to about where the two lines intersect and hit enter 3 times. Repeat for the opposite intersection. Or you can go second calc or second trace 5 and hit enter 3 times. And there, 2.564 is for the left side of the intersection. And then you repeat the steps to find for the other side. Does not have to be exactly, because it will give you the exact intersection 7.310. Step 7, question C and D. Now go second trace, scroll down to number 4, maximum, and hit enter. And you scroll up to about where the top is, and hit enter 3 times. And there, your x will equal what question C needs, because x is the total number of seconds it will take to get to the highest point, and y is the highest point. That is how many feet it is. And for the answers, A is 9.875 seconds, B is 2.51 seconds, and 7.31 seconds because the line intersects in two places. C is 5.021 seconds, and D is 389.95 feet. For the credits, and now you know. Thank you for watching this paper slide by Aiden Murphy, Mr. Seltzer's Math 1 Class 2015, recorded by Madeline.